Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change time color on lock screen in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change your time color on your lock screen, so let's see how can you do that. So you can see this my lock screen and I'm going to change the time color on the lock screen. So you have to simply keep a long press on any empty place on your lock screen, and here you have to enter your iPhone passcode and verify yourself using your Face ID. Then select this customize option, and here tap on the clock or time, and you have to select the color from here. So you can select different colors from this section, or you can also add new colors from here. So once you have selected your color, for example, I'm going to select this one. After selecting, tap on any empty place here, then tap again, then tap on done option in the top right corner. And that's done. Your time color has been successfully changed on your lock screen in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.